You decided to open your Etsy store, okay? You just sign up, create your account, you put your email in, you figure out a fancy name for your store, you create a logo, maybe in Canva or something, and you're ready to sell. Maybe you want to sell some digital products, maybe you want to sell some handmade products, or maybe just like me, you want to create AI generated content that you later on add in Photoshop or Canva or something like that you sell for money because A, it's super easy, and B, you can generate pretty passive income with this because it doesn't require a lot of maintenance since you don't have to fulfill any orders. Put some listing, maybe you put one listing, maybe you put two listings, or maybe you didn't put any listing, okay? But it's been a couple of hours or maybe a day or two and you get this email saying that your Etsy account is banned. Does this sound familiar? Well, apparently you're not alone, because if you look on the internet, there's tons of people like you whose brand new accounts on Etsy been suspended. And it doesn't matter if it's a brand new account, if it's your first account, or if it's your second account, because Etsy allows to have multiple accounts. They're okay with it. You can use a different email and put the same information that you used for your first account. It's completely legal. You can do that. For some reason, that account gets suspended. And they scare you with a scary message saying, oh, you violated our rules and guidelines. And it sounds really bad. But the reality is that you are very likely going to get your account back. For some reason, Etsy bans new accounts for no reason. And there's a lot of speculation why this is happening, but we never got a clear answer. Some people think that this is because they want to limit the amount of new sellers coming to their platform, and another just say that their platform is glitchy. Whatever is the case, all you need to do is just send the appeal and give Etsy time. I've seen this happening multiple times among people I know, among people that are in my community, but I would say 90% of time they always get their account back. Some of them getting faster, even the same day. Some of them takes a week, and a couple of them I know it took them almost a month. One of the guys on my Discord used a special message that he sent to Etsy when he reappealed to get his account, and it took him a couple of weeks to get it back, but he got it. If you wanna know that message, I'm gonna include it in the description of this video so you can copy it, but you can also see this message right here. And by the way, this is not my message, I didn't create it. He shared with us on our Discord, so if you're interested, again, you're gonna have this in the description. Long story short, this message is saying that his account was suspended without any good reason. He says that he provides good quality products to his customer, and he respectfully asking to get his account back. And again, after he sent this message, he got his account back, so maybe it worked. I can't confirm from my personal experience because I never got banned on Etsy. Long story short, you want to show that you are professional, you provide great customer service, your products are legit, and you should get your account back. And I also want to dismiss some myth about AI generated content on Etsy. Etsy never stated that it's against AI generated content. At least I'm not aware of it, and I've been selling this type of content on the platform for the past couple of months. The only thing that they say they don't like is when you use the copyrighted content, such as Disney characters or Marvel or anything like that. So just stay away of those and you should be fine. Also, if you create the AI generated content using tools like Midjourney and you're still kind of scared that, Etsy might not like that, all you need to do is just edit that content, because once it's edited, once you change a couple of things, that technically is not AI generated content anymore. It's a brand new thing, and if you edit it enough, it actually can be copyrighted and it can belong to you. One tip that I'm also going to give you in regards to AI generated content is to disclaim on your Etsy description that you use AI to create parts of content for your clip art or whatever you're selling, so that way you follow Etsy policy and you won't get in trouble. But I never met anyone who has been banned because of selling AI generated content on Etsy. The people that get banned on Etsy are usually just brand new accounts that Etsy wants to verify, and they're just trying to figure out who you are. So if that's the case, your brand new account got banned, you can either just wait because you're most likely gonna get it back, or just try sending that message that I showed you earlier. If you're interested in learning more about selling AI generated content on Etsy, check out my other videos or join my YouTube membership to get the AI prompts that you can use for Etsy. And you can also join our Discord to chat with me and other members. That will be it for today. Take care. Bye-bye.